Hey little kids, welcome to my channel. Today I will learn you how to write alphabet M to Z. I am preparing the paper. I will make it rainbow paper. I am using holy color, different types of color. Here I am using the purple color. Now I am using the red color. Here I am using another shades of green color. Now the page is ready to write. I am using my finger to write. This is M. M for mango, M for mouse. N for nest and N for nut. O for owl and O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot and P for peacock. Q. Q for queen and Q for quilt. R. R for rabbit and R for rose. S. S for sheep and S for sun. T for tiger and T for tree. U for umbrella and U for unicorn. V for violin and V for van. W for watch and W for whale. X for xylophone and X for Xmas tree. Y for yellow and Y for yolk. Z for zebra and Z for zoo. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.